Hi, I'm Austin Coulter, a sales representative here at Baker Products. Behind me you'll see our 3674D portable sawmill. The first thing you'll notice with this sawmill is the heavy-duty 6-inch I-beam construction. One of our things that we pride ourselves on with our machinery is how heavy-duty machinery we produce. So here, this is a fully hydraulic mill. You'll notice it has the hydraulic toe rollers. On the other side, right there and right there, you'll see that we have the hydraulic fence arms. Everything from your fence arms, your toe rollers, your log turner, as well as your log clamp right here. It's a completely hydraulic mill, including your head is hydraulically powered up and down, as well as forward and reverse. We have our solid steel fence arms, like I said, fully hydraulic. This is an 1.5 by 3-inch solid steel. Moving up to the front, you'll notice that we have our log load arms. These are, again, fully hydraulic. You'll have 2 of these that are folded up. So here you're looking at our the log clamp, and right next to it you'll see that there is our inline debarker. It's also a hydraulic unit. Keeps your blades free of all your bark and debris. Keeps you from cutting into dirty logs and things that are going to dull and lessen the life of your blade. Over here you'll notice that we have a flat guide system. We've been using these flat guide systems for 30+ years, and we've had a lot of great experience with them, as well as your adjustable guide arm right there. So with the throat of this machine, you have up to an 18-inch width capacity. Here you're going to have our lubrication drip tank for your drip system to feed onto your blade. Now there's a lot of different things that people have put into this drip system, from a mixture of water and dish soap all the way to chemical lubricants, even things such as diesel fuel and transmission fluid and other things like that. Here behind the head of the saw, we have our blade tensioning system, which keeps your blade tight as it's cutting your logs. And then moving up here, you have your blade height dial that'll allow you to see exactly what your blade is set at as you're sawing away from you and getting a good deal of distance. When a sawyer is at the back of your machine and you have your head all the way to the front of the machine, it's hard to see if you're staying true to what you're supposed to be set at. And with that dial, you're able to see those things. Moving around right here, we have your operator control station. All the controls, your variable feed, everything that you're going to have to control is going to be right here, as well as your computer set work system is going to be located right up here. So our 3674D has a 74 horsepower Deutz diesel engine. Now Deutz has become famous for their air-cooled motors. What's interesting about this one is that it's actually a liquid-cooled motor. So if you'll take a look inside of the main head, you'll notice that we have 28-inch solid steel wheels machined here in-house. Now all the faces on this wheel is machined right here, from the inner wheels, the outer wheels, your front face as well as your back face. So you'll notice that we have 1.5-inch band blades on this machine. We can optionally upgrade you to a 2-inch band blade on that. And then over here you'll have our belt tensioner, as well as the clutch assembly to keep you from having to have your belts engaged at all times. So one more time before we leave you today, I want to reiterate just how heavy duty, how strong and durable this machine is. I believe it comes in weighing around 12,000 pounds. We went over some of the options today, including the computer set works, the inline debarker. Something I may have forgotten to mention earlier is with your log clamps, log turners, fence arms, and toe rollers, we can add additional ones of those. Overall, this machine is a beast, and it is ready to handle your logging needs.